Good morning, all. Welcome to Exam Notes 365. Today, we will discuss about the important current affairs on 18th January 2022. Let's start. Who has been elected as the Prime Minister of North Macedonia? Dimitar Kovačevski. North Macedonia is a country in Southeast Europe that gained independence in 1991 as one of the successor states of Yugoslavia. Where is the capital of North Macedonia? Skopje. President is Stevo Pendrovski. What is the currency of North Macedonia? Macedonian dinar. Pandit Birju Maharaj passed away recently. He was associated with which dance form? He was a legendary Kathak dancer. Pandit Birju Maharaj was an Indian dancer, composer, singer, and exponent of the Lucknow Kalka Bindali Ghurana of Kathak dance in India. He was also the recipient of the country's second highest civilian award, Padma Vibhushan. International Mentoring Day is observed on January 17. We celebrate International Mentoring Day on January 17 while honoring the legacy of Muhammad Ali, what would have been his 75th birthday. Nicknamed the Greatest, he is widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated sport figures of the 20th century and is frequently ranked as the greatest heavyweight boxer of all time. We will check next question. Who authored the book titled 100 Words at a Time? Mainak Dar. The book aims to close the mentoring gap. It is published on January 17, International Mentoring Day. Padma Shri awardee Shanti Devi passed away recently. She was a social activist. Born in Balasore district in 1934, Shanti Devi began social work at an early age and founded the Seva Samaj Ashramam at Gunpur in Odisha. She worked towards the education of tribal girls. The underwater volcano Hunga Hunga Hapai that erupted recently situated in which ocean? The answer is Pacific Ocean. The eruption of the submarine volcano, believed to be one of the largest in recent history, triggering tsunami waves of varying intensity along the coasts of many countries on the Pacific Ocean. Hunga Hapai is an uninhabited volcanic island that existed in the South Pacific from 2009 to 2022. The previously twin islands of Hunga and Hunga Hapai were merged by a volcanic eruption in 2009, and a more explosive eruption separated the islands again and reduced them in size in 2022. Let's take next question. Women's Asia Cup 2022 hockey tournament will be held in Muscat. Savda Punia is set to lead India's 80-member team in the Women's Asia Cup hockey tournament to be held in Muscat from January 21 to 28. Muscat is capital of Oman. Sultan Haytham bin Tariq. What is the currency of Oman? Omani Riyal. M.K. Prasad passed away recently. He was an ecologist. He also led the popular science movement Kerala Shastra Sahitya Parishad, which had undertaken campaigns for popularization of science in everyday life. He also participated in the Save Salem Valley campaign which is considered as the first popular campaign for protecting a forest ecosystem in the state. Name the online portal that's set up by the Defense Ministry to resolve pension-related grievances of ex-servicemen and their dependents. The answer is the Extra Pension Shikayat Nirvan portal. The portal will allow ex-servicemen to lodge grievances directly with the Department of Ex-Servicemen Welfare. Who is the Union Minister of Defense? Rajnath Singh. Alakos Passianos passed away recently. He was a painter. Alakos Passianos, one of the most important modern Greek painters, passed away. Besides painting and lithography, Alakos Passianos also illustrated books, designed theatre costumes and settings, and dabbled in sculpture. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. To get more current affairs videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your feedbacks in the comment section. See you tomorrow. Bye.